Yo, what's up? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly build a custom GPT. And it's really not a difficult process, especially once you've done it a couple times. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, pause your video to read what we have here, but I am creating this here so I can duplicate podcast blog post and for multiple different podcasts. Okay. So one of the things now, once that's done, you can create conversation starters, but for this one, it's very basic. Like we're inputting a transcription and it's going to output the same information every single time. So for that reason, I'm not going to even put conversation starters in there because this is just for me to use. In here, if you had code or data to analyze, you would click this box. You want it to do a web search because if you notice in here, I gave an example of a blog post, like how I wanted it to work or how I wanted it to look. So that way it's going to search the internet. Image creation, you really don't need image creation for this one. Canvas is nice because you can actually go in and edit the post inside of there. So I'll leave that one on. I'll leave the Dolly image generation on just because. So like just in case I randomly want to generate an image, so instead of having to move out. Creating an action, action is going to be a lot more advanced step. I'm going to discuss that one in this video. What I will say though is instead of me creating this, I can just use Dolly to create it. And after it does this, we're going to move back over to the create section and just tell it to create the name based on the instructions provided.